How many of you have spent time behind the wheel, stuck in traffic, wondering who designed this road? I've been there, folks. And after all the jobs I've seen, I can tell you building a road is a lot more than just pouring some asphalt and calling it a day. It's about safety, durability, and making sure that everything runs smoothly from the interstate to those backcountry roads. So let's get our hands dirty and dig into the world of road standards and how they impact everything from the materials used to the design of the road itself. First things first, not all roads are created equal. We've got your national highways built for speed and heavy traffic. Think 18-wheelers barreling down the interstate. Then you've got your urban roads designed to handle the hustle and bustle of city life with all its stoplights and crosswalks. Rural roads, they're a different beast altogether, winding through the countryside, connecting small towns and farms. And don't forget expressways built for speed and efficiency, and access roads, providing entry to specific locations. Each type of road has its own set of design standards, kind of like a recipe, to make sure it can handle the specific demands of the traffic it's going to face. Imagine a road as a team of horses, and the traffic is the weight they're pulling. You wouldn't hitch a wagon load of bricks to a single pony, right? Same goes for roads. The volume and weight of traffic are critical factors in determining the road's design. A road with a constant flow of heavy trucks needs a foundation strong enough to withstand the pounding. That means tougher materials, thicker layers of pavement, and maybe even some reinforcement underneath. It's all about making sure the road can handle the load without buckling under pressure. Building a road in the desert is a whole lot different than building one in the mountains. Climate, soil conditions, and the lay of the land all play a huge role in road design. You're dealing with scorching heat, freezing cold, torrential rain, even earthquakes. Mother Nature throws it all at you. In colder climates, you need frost-resistant materials that won't crack when the temperature drops. In hilly areas, proper drainage is crucial to prevent erosion and landslides. And if you're building in a seismically active zone, well, you better make sure that road can handle a little shake, rattle, and roll. Chapter 4. The Art of the Curve. Ever notice how a well-designed road just seems to flow? That's not by accident. It's all about geometry and alignment. Think of it like a roller coaster. You don't want sharp turns at high speeds. Curvature, super elevation, that's the banking of a curve, cross slope for drainage, and intersection design all have to be carefully calculated to ensure safe driving conditions. A well-designed road guides drivers naturally, making it easier to see what's ahead and react accordingly, which ultimately makes for a safer and more efficient journey. Chapter 5. Asphalt or concrete, picking the right pavement. Now let's talk pavement. Choosing the right material for the job is crucial. You got your flexible pavements like asphalt, which are great for absorbing traffic loads, and then there are rigid pavements like concrete, which are more durable and long-lasting. Then you have composite pavements, a blend of both worlds. The choice depends on the type of road, the traffic volume, and the climate. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to drive in a screw, would you? Chapter 6. Design speed and your need for speed. We've all got that need for speed, right? Well, design speed is the maximum safe speed a road is built for, and it dictates everything from the width of the lanes to the sight distances on curves. Highways built for speed have higher design speeds than, say, a winding rural road. It's all about finding a balance between efficiency and safety. A higher design speed might sound exciting, but it also requires more stringent safety measures to keep things from going sideways. Chapter 7. Building in safety from the start. Let's face it, folks, driving can be dangerous. That's why safety features are paramount when designing a road. Traffic barriers, guardrails, signage, road markings, pedestrian facilities, and lighting are all critical components that help to prevent accidents and keep people safe. It's like having a guardian angel looking over your shoulder as you drive, nudging you in the right direction and keeping you out of harm's way. Chapter 8. Don't rain on my road. We all know what happens when you get a little rain on the road. Water and roads don't mix, folks. That's why drainage is crucial. A good drainage system, both on the surface and below, carries water away from the road, preventing potholes, cracks and erosion. It's like giving the road its own little plumbing system, keeping it high and dry, even when the heavens open up. Proper drainage keeps the road stable and prevents those nasty surprises that can ruin your day and your car. Chapter 9: The Price of a Smooth Ride. Look, I'm a working class guy and I know you can't always build the Taj Mahal of roads. Budget constraints are a reality, but skimping on quality can lead to costly repairs down the line. It's a delicate balance between building a road that's affordable today and one that won't cost a fortune to maintain tomorrow. Sometimes it's worth spending a little extra up front to save yourself a lot of headaches and money down the road. At Chapter 10, the rules of the road, building. Just like any good construction project, road building has rules, standards and codes that ensure quality and safety. Organizations like AASHTO, British Standards, Indian Road Congress and ISO, they're the guardians of good road building. They set the guidelines for everything from material testing to design specifications. Think of them as the referees of the road building world, making sure everyone's playing by the rules and building roads that are safe, durable and built to last. Ultra safe travels, my friends. So there you have it, folks. Building a road is a lot more complicated than it looks. It's a delicate dance of engineering, planning and a whole lot of hard work. By considering all these factors, the type of road, traffic load, climate and those all-important safety features, we can make our roads safer and more durable for everyone. And that's something we can all get behind. Thanks for watching and drive safely.